Good afternoon, students. My name is GVR Lakshman Rao, lecturer in mining engineering. Today we are going to deal the subject elements of mining. Chapter is drilling methods. In last class we started drilling methods. Now we are continuing it. The object of this lesson is, after completion of this lesson, you would be able to know the classification of boring or drilling methods, the percussive boring, different tools used in drilling. As all of you know that the meaning of, in previous class we discussed about the definition of drilling, purpose of drilling and uses of drilling. I would like to recap the previous class details. As all of you know that drilling or boring is the method of or process of making holes into the ground, either vertically or horizontally or with any inclination. The purpose of boreholes is for various reasons. For the blasting purposes, to extract the mineral from the earth crust, as well as draining out the water present in the old workings, or draining off the gases which is present during the formation of coal or whatever the mineral it may be, to know the rock pressure, strata conditions, to know the mineral content, to prove the existence of minerals, such as any minerals can be proved by drilling the boreholes. It is the major duty of exploration, is the major duty of Geological Survey of India. After getting the borehole details or borehole data, it is very easy to know the geology of the particular area and what type of mineral is there, what shape it is having, and at what depth the mineral bed is going to be encountered, and what nature of the mineral is there, and the thickness of the mineral bed, and inclination of the mineral bed and strength of the mineral bed, and everything, every detail we can obtain by drilling the boreholes. Especially for mining, it is very important to know the geology of the particular area, because various folds and faults, whether the area is having geological disturbances or not, and it is very important that while doing the mining or extracting the mineral, if the old workings are there, if the old workings are fully filled with water, what happens? The inundation, sudden inrush of water takes place. To know the details what are present ahead of our working phase, up to 20 meters drill holes are drilled to know the exact condition of the particular area. The another most important thing is to drain off the gases. Nowadays the people, the new method is coal bedded methane. If the methane presence in the coal bed is more, it will be extracted without mining by drilling the boreholes. This is the new method of extraction. The another thing is coal gasification. Coal gasification will be done by means of drilling the boreholes and the coal present in the seam is burnt and the temperature will be obtained for various purposes. So this is one of the major use in coal mining. And the other one is to carry the electrical cables. Nowadays manual mining is very rare, so machines are using to extract, to do the mining work. Technology developed, lot of equipment is working. We are working with a lot of new equipment which are operated by means of electricity. Electricity will be carried from surface to the mine underground by means of cables. To send the cables, boreholes are very necessary one. At the same time, signaling wires. In case of the working is done, the depillering is done with the method of stowing. So stowing pipes are also sent through the drill holes made by the drilling. For various purposes, drill holes are needed. If you see the ordinary purposes, for tube wells or bore wells, the holes are made to extract, to supply the water to the colonies. You cannot see the wells nowadays because everybody depends upon the bore wells to get the required water. In some special purposes, not only for mining purposes, holes are drilled in the rock to blast it during the excavation. Of foundations for tall big buildings and to deepen the ocean for creating the artificial harbors. Also, the people, the government or various countries are deepening the sea Ramasetu is one type of dredging. We call it as dredging. Dredging will be done by means of blasting, and blasting will be done by means of making drill holes to obtain the natural gas and oil. As all of you know, everywhere in the world, the major energy source is either oil, gas, or power. Oil and gas are arriving due to the drilling of boreholes, and the fossil fuel like coal is also extracted from the mines by drilling the boreholes to blast it. And these boreholes also used for special purposes in special methods, especially in mining, during sinking of shaft, cementation and freezing techniques. In freezing techniques also, the holes are drilled and used for the completion of those methods. Boreholes are, as in the previous chapters are also, I explained what is the need of classification. Classification is nothing but the categorization of something, process, method, whatever it may be, object, whatever it may be. Here also, to know the properties of a particular thing or method or whatever it may be, classification gives a easy understanding of the particular method. Classification of boreholes. Boring is classified. Boring is nothing but the making or the process of making holes is called boring or drilling. The mainly classified as classification of boreholes in simple term, I would like to show this one to you. Boring or drilling is classified majorly two types. One is percussive drilling, another one is rotary method of drilling. Percussive drilling is again classified as drilling by rods, drilling by rope. Drilling by rods by manual or mechanized. Drilling by rope is also called as cable drilling or churn drilling. The another important drilling method is rotary drilling. Broadly, the drilling is classified by two types. One is percussive and another one is rotary method. Percussive is again classified as drilling by rods, rigid rods, or by drilling by rope. The drilling by rigid rods are again classified as manual and mechanized. Drilling by rope also called as cable drilling or churn drilling. The another drilling method is rotary drilling. Rotary drilling is it is not classified in different different ways, but there are subdivisions as according to the drill bit used for the purposes. Almost rotary drilling is same. In the drill bit used at the end of drill rod are different. I would like to briefly I would like to explain it briefly here. The detailed explanation will be given in the later classes or later periods. Percussive drilling by the word percussion is nothing but to and fro. Drilling is method of making holes. If the making of holes is done by means of to and fro motion, then the drilling is called percussive drilling, in which for every drilling a drill bit is necessary. At the end of the drill bit, at the end of the drill rod, a drill bit is attached to it. By means of arrangement, one arrangement, the entire drill rods are attached to the machine. A machine is powered either by either by power, diesel or electricity, or compressed air, whatever it may be. It gives the to and fro motion to the drill rod. At the end of the drill rod, the drill bit is attached. At the end of the drill rod, the drill bit is attached. The drill bit strikes the ground wherever you want to make a hole. Wherever you want to make a hole, the drill bit strikes. The power is transmitted from motor to the drill rod by a crank arrangement or whatever different arrangements will be there through gears. The power is transmitted to the drill rod. Then drill rod, the power is transmitted from drill rod to the drill bit through the medium of drill rod, and it strikes the ground within a short span of time. It gives the number of blows at a same place. The drill bit is manufactured with hard material. Due to the striking of the drill bit at a same place in number of times in the short span of time, within the short span of time, the ground will be, due to the chipping action, breaking of ground takes place. Either the drill bit in the percussive drilling, the power is transmitted from surface to the ground either by drill rods or by rope. If the power is transmitted from the surface to the drill bit with the help of drill rods only, then the percussive drilling is called drilling by rods, rigid rods. If the power is transmitted from the surface to the drill bit by means of a cable, then the drilling is percussive drilling by rope or cable drilling or churn drilling. These are the synonyms. Absolutely, there is no difference between drilling by rope or cable drilling or churn drilling. So, percussive drilling is two types: drilling by drill rods or drilling by rope. If the energy or power is transmitted from the surface, from the motor to the drill bit or end point by means of rods. And if the rods are attached one by one up to the surface, and it will be attached with the help of gears, then the drilling is called drilling by rigid rods. It can be done by means of manual or mechanical if the machine is attached to it, or if without machine the people, 2 or 3 people, are by dragging the rope and leaving it. What happens? It strikes at a place. That is called manual mining, manual drilling. If the drill rods are strikes with the help of a machine is called, or if the help of machine, then the drill rods, then the type of drilling is called manual. This is percussive drilling. In case of rotary drilling, the entire rotary drilling, different drill bits are used in rotary drilling. In the rotary drilling, the arrangement almost same that of percussive drilling. In this drilling, drill rods are there. At the end of the drill rod, the drill bit is attached to it. Generally, the drill rods are made up of nickel or chromium or aluminium. For hard ground, nickel chromium is used. For soft ground, aluminium rods are used. Aluminium rods are nearly 1/3 the weight of the nickel chromium rods or iron rods. At the end of drill rods, these drill rods are of 1.5 to 3 meters in length. At the end of the drill rod, one side is having male screw, another side is having female screw. At the top of the drill rod, a female screw will be there. From another rod, male screw will be screwed into the female screw. Thereby, power is transmitted through the drill rods. The drill rod, at the end of the drill rod, the drill bit is attached. Different type of drill bits are used in rotary drilling. The drill bit rotates with certain rotations, what we call RPM, revolutions per minute. The drill bit with some force, during the rotation, it abrasives. Due to the abrasive action, due to the shear force of the drill bit, with some force against the ground, it rotates. What happens? Due to the shearing force, the ground, a hole is formed. Generally, this is the rotary type of drilling. In rotary type of drilling, different drill bits are used. Saw-toothed cutter. I will show the drill bits in the next class. Saw-toothed cutter, This is one type of drill bit. If possible, I would like to, okay, here there are no pictures. Okay, sawtoothed cutter is one type of drill bit. The drill rod is attached with the sawtoothed cutter. The drill bit, at the end of the drill bit, it has saw-like, ordinary saw-like tooths. That's why the name is to the drill bit. The another one is tricone rock roller drilling. Tricone rock roller drilling, the bit is having 3 different rollers. I will show you in the next class. The another one is diamond drilling. Most of the times rotary drilling for the purpose of exploration of minerals, diamond drilling is only used because we can get the core in diamond drilling only. Otherwise you will get, if you are not used diamond drill bit, then you will get sludge only, you will not get any core. So for exploration purposes, to know the exact situation of the particular area, geology of the area, thickness of the mineral and strength of the mineral, everything will be arrived if you did with drilling by means with the help of diamond drilling only. A diamond drill bit is nothing but it is a shell type drill bit. At the end of the drill bit, you will the diamonds will be the diamonds will be what you call attached during the manufacturing of drill bit. Diamonds are these diamonds. If you see the hardness in the most geology, there is a scale called Mohs scale of hardness. The first material is, its scale is 10. Within the 10, as per the Mohs scale, every material hardness is between these from 1 to 10. As per the Mohs scale, talc is the softest material among all the materials and diamond is the hardest material among all the materials. If you want to break the mineral, whatever be the mineral, you should scratch by a hardest mineral. So diamond is the hardest mineral. As diamond is the hardest mineral, every mineral is broken by means of diamonds. That's why diamonds are used in the bits, drill bits. So every material will be grind or will be break by means of using diamonds. These diamonds are not suitable for These diamonds are not suitable for what? Not suitable for jewelry purposes. These are called as black diamonds. These black diamonds are available in South Africa. These are used only for industrial purposes. Another name for diamonds are called, another name for diamond is called, diamonds are called barts, B-A-R-T-S, barts. So, because it is the hardest material in the universe, so to break any material, whatever be the hardest it may be, it can be, the diamonds are used to form the hole. So, diamond drilling, nowadays it become, diamond drilling became the synonym for rotary drilling. As diamond drill bit is having hollow shell, whenever it rotates into the ground, a mass, a cylindrical stratum of rock mass is arrived. That is called core. There are so many techniques for extracting the core. A barrel is used. Core barrel, what you call core barrel. A core barrel, in the core barrel, core is lifted. There are two types of core barrels are there. One is single tube core barrel, the another one is double tube core barrel. Nowadays, in recent days, I saw in one journal, there is another type of core barrel is there, that is called triple tube core barrel also there. Core barrel in diamond drilling only, the core is have. So core barrels are used in diamond drilling only. Only. There are three types of core barrels are there. One is single tube, double tube, triple tube. Single tube core barrels are used for homogeneous rocks and hard rocks. If it is moderate rocks, double tube core barrels are used. If it is too soft rocks, the softness of the mineral is very, very high, then we go for triple tube core barrels. So diamond drilling is used, and the depth of its advantages are very, very high when compared with all other drillings. So nowadays, if you diamond drilling is the synonym for rotary drilling also. The another type of drilling is chilled shots. This is used for hardest type of rocks where the core is not necessary. The extraction of core is not necessary. Then you will go for chill shots. Chill shots is nothing but whenever I would like to quote one example regarding the temperature and temperature. I think that all of you experienced that if the glass is filled with very hot material, if you pour the very hot solution into the glass, if the glass is having high temperature, if it acquired high temperature, if you pour a cool water on the glass, what happens? What happens? Breakage of glass takes place. Breaking of glass takes place. It will become small pieces. Why? Why it became like that? Why it became like that? Due to the sudden contraction of the glass, it is not able to contract. That's why the breakage of glass takes place. Like that, the material used for chill shock drilling is drill bits. The drill bit used is manufactured by, it will be the high temperature will be given to the drill bit. In no time it will be cooled. Within the short span of time, it will be, the drill bit will be cooled. What happens? A sudden contraction of the material takes place. Due to the sudden contraction of the material, it became very hot. It tries to contract. What happens? The density of the material will be very high. The weight of the material or density of the material will be very high. So it became too hard. For that reason, it is having high amount of strength, hardness. That's why it is, because of its hardness, it is used for rocks like very hardness. High hardness of rocks takes place. High hardness for, these are used for high hard rocks. These are the classification of boring methods or drilling methods. Broadly, it is classified as percussive and rotary. For various depths these are used, and the applicability it will be explained in the next class, the applicabilities of various drilling methods. One of the drilling method is having a peculiar importance. If you see diamond drilling is used whenever the core is required. The remaining drill bits are used whenever the core is not required. If the material is hardest, and no core is required, chill shot drilling is preferred. Like that, every drilling has its uses, applications, and advantages, disadvantages, and limitations. Different limitations. Those will be explained in the in the next coming classes. So, I hope you understand well regarding the classification of drilling methods. Once again, I would like to recap the explained issues. One is what is drilling, definition of drilling, purpose of drilling, uses of drilling, different uses, drilling, where the drilling is used for mining purposes as well as other purposes, and the classification of drilling. The classification of drilling, as I hope all of you understand well regarding the classification of boring or drilling. The major classification, main classification is percussive drilling, rotary drilling. Percussive drilling is, the name came because of its motion. Energy transferred from the surface to the drill bit with the help of drill bits or wire by to and fro motion. If the motion is in the form of rotation, then it is called rotary drilling. Okay, I hope all of you understand well during classification of boring methods, drilling methods. You will get one 3 marks question or one objective type questions in ESET as well as in competitive examinations of CIL, SCCL, NLCL, whatever it may be. So it is better to know the differentiation between these two and classification of boring methods. Okay, thank you. I would like to explain the different tools used in drilling methods. Different tools used in drilling methods. Tools and accessories used in drilling methods. About drill bits, drill rods, derrick or tripod, hand winch by power winch, bulldog safety clamp, retaining key, brace head or pair of hands, water swivel, sludger, stirrup, cross put, rocking lever, reciprocating pumps. Clearly in the next class, and different drilling methods and their applicabilities, those will be explained in the next class. Generally, the percussive method is suitable for some situations. The rotary method of drilling is suitable for some of the situations. This is classification. Manual boring, drilling by rigid rods, classification of drilling by rope, cable, manual and drill bits used, drill rods, everything. Okay, I will take the next class regarding the various accessories used.